Welcome back, everyone. It's Teacher Ari, and we are here for our second day of online schooling. Welcome to our second phonics and reading class kinder lesson of the week. All you need to do if you want to participate in today's lesson is ask your mom and dad for your digraph dab worksheet. They have it on their computer. All they need to do is print it out, give it to you, and you'll be ready to go. Once you find a pencil and a quiet place to sit, we can get started. But before we do, what is a digraph? That's a funny word. I've never heard it before. Maybe you haven't heard of that word before either. Well, a digraph is two letters that make just one sound. Think of it like the word chair. CH, the first two letters in chair. Say ch. That's one sound. That's a digraph. I've got the same paper you've got, except I've got it up here on my board. Let's learn together, you at home, me at school, working together to make your brains grow. Let's do it. Find the first box on your paper, up in the corner. First, we have to identify what that picture is. Any guesses? If you said bath, you are correct. Bubbles, tub, that's a bath. Let's see if we can find the right digraph for this word. Ba-ch, batch. That doesn't sound quite right. Let's try the next one. Ba-sh, bash. Did you ever hear your mom or dad say, it's time to get ready for your bash? That doesn't sound right. Let's try the last one. Ba-th, bath, bath. Does that sound like a real word? Does that sound like the word bath? If you said yes, you are correct. Let's put the TH in its place. Bath. And now you know what a digraph is. Let's move to number 2. Slide over to this box. First things first, what do you think that is? Chips. It's a bowl of chips. Let's go for it. We need a ch in front of the ips. Let's try the first one. CH says ch, chips. Hey, that sounds like it, but to be sure, let's check the other two. Ships. Pass me another ships, please. That doesn't seem to make sense. Let's try the last one. Thips. Please, can I have one more thips? That doesn't sound right. I think you were right. The first one, CH, is the right digraph. Let's put the CH in its place. Chips. Well done. Let's move on to the third box over here. What is that? If you said bench, you are correct. That is a bench. Let's start with the CH. Bench. Bench. I think we found it. But to be sure, let's check the other two. Bench. Bench. Something's not right about that one. Benth. Benth. Please go have a seat on the benth. That doesn't sound good either. I think, again, you were right if you thought it was the first one. CH, let's put it in its place. CH. Bench. We're done with the first row of kinder lesson already. You're doing such a good job. Let's move down to the next row. This is cash. Like money. Cash. Let's see if we can find the right digraph. K-a-ch. Catch. Can I please have one more dollar of catch? That doesn't sound right. Let's try the second one. Shh. Shh. S-H says shh. Cash. Cash. I carry cash in my wallet. That sounds like it might be a winner, but let's try the last one to be sure. T-H. Cath. Cath. Please, I need one more dollar of cath. Wait a second. That doesn't sound good. If you said it was S-H as the digraph, you are correct. Let's put the S-H in its place. Cash. Nice job. Okay, let's move to the middle box. What do you think this could be? More importantly, look closely. There's an arrow pointing to this sharp thing stuck on a plant. It ends with orn. What could it be? If you said thorn, you're correct. Let's find the right digraph. CH, chorn. Don't grab that flower, it has a chorn. That doesn't sound right, does it? SH, shorn. Watch out, that rose has a prickly shorn on it. Let's try the next one. Thorn, thorn, TH, thorn. If you said TH is the right digraph, you got it. Let's put it in the right place. TH makes it thorn. Nice job. Let's move to this box. Now, I'm not an artist, but as you can see, I drew these pictures myself today. Take a look at this one and see if you can guess what it is. If you said trash, you are correct. Trcha, trucha, trucha. That is definitely not right. Let's try the sh digraph. Trash, trash. Hey, I think that's the right one, but you know me, let's check the last one to be sure. Tratha. Please take out the tratha. I think we know the winner. Shh. Let's put the SH in its place. Trash. Boys and girls, we're now down to the last row for today's kinder lesson. Let's finish strong. Let's do our best. Make sure you're sitting up straight in your chair. You're holding your pencil in the proper position, and let's get started. What in the world did teacher Ari draw here? I'm not even going to make you guess. It is supposed to look like a shell. Let's try it. Chell. I found a shell at the beach. I don't think so. Shell. SH digraph says shell. I think I know which one it is. Do you know which one it is? Let's try the last one. Fell. I brought the pretty fells back from the beach. I think you know which one is right. Let's do it. It's sh. Let's put the SH in the right place. Shell. Only two left, boys and girls. What could this be? If you're thinking beach, you're correct. Let's look for the digraph. Beach. It might be that one. Beach. I want to go play at the beach. I don't think that's right. Let's try the last one. Beath. Yes, a trip to the beath, please. If you said CH, the digraph cha, you are correct. CH, beach. And finally, the last one for today's kinder lesson. This is something we learned about a few weeks ago when we were talking about planets. If you said that's Earth, you are correct. Earthcha. Earthcha. Earth. Earth. If you think the digraph is TH, put it in the place because you are correct. Look at that, boys and girls. You finished our second phonics reading kinder lesson for the week. And looking at this earth, it reminds me of something before we finish today. This is our home, your home, my home. We are both on the earth together right now. Just because you're not here at the blue table doing kinder lesson with me, and just because I'm not there at your house sitting at your table, we are still all together on Earth. And do you remember which planet is the only planet that we can live on in our solar system? Earth. Thank you so much for coming to kinder lesson today, you guys. I had a great time. Stay well, and hopefully I'll see you next time.